Yes, na natay pag-giveaway, guys.
Hey, welcome channel to my guys.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Rose Baby, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, consider subscribe and click the bell notification bell below para ma-notify mo every time na I-post na video. And yes guys, dali na jud kayo ako ang, oh my god. So, before ko nag-upload o katong latest video na ako is 204 subscribers. And then karon, naman na siyang 223. Oh my god, dali na kayo guys. And thank you. So, let's go to shout out guys. Shout out kay Gerald Ibanez Biaten, kang John F. Cahodo. Yes, subscribe to his channel guys. Reggie Zarate. Shout out kay J. Mark Tumokyo, kang Lovely Dorothy. Shout out kay Mariel Plaza Inot, kang Macmac A. Marata, kang Princess Limit, kang Irish Jean Caceres, kang Carlo B. Pedimonte, and subscribe to his channel guys, Taloloy TV, yes. And then kang RG Nagak, kang Angel Fel Suarez Fortunado, kang Matthew Gabriel J. Pelino, kang Nico Kai, oh my god, yes. And kang Gwen. Shoutout kay George Padayogdog. Yes guys, mayo ni mo makeup si Kuya George Padayogdog. And if kung naamoy gusto mo magpa-makeup sa iya, so visit lang iya ang Facebook account, yes. And kang shoutout kay Francine Acebes, kang Jaffy Jerusalem, and visit po diya ang channel Jaffy Jerusalem guys, Judges Vlog, Judges JJ nara guys. And kang Jerwin Macaranas Pakibot, and visit po diya ang channel Leonela Joy Mamalumpong Galagar. Shoutout kang Selwyn Gomez, kang Mark Galiogo, kang Mark Delio, puro smart. Shoutout kay Julian Smith Factura, kang Bigilin Torres Tocabo, kang Brian Candilada, kang Hailey Mark Alfretes, may chat siya pangalan niya, kang John Lauderes Dachehan, and kang Christian Ray Tilap. Then, sa more to siya guys, nung nagpa-shoutout. Kung gusto po nung magpa-shoutout guys, just comment down below. Yes, na natay pag-giveaway guys. So, ito ang giveaway is 50 pesos worth of load. And ang mechanics lang guys is subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification para ma-notify mo every time na kayo post ng video. And then comment down below para ma-notify po na ako ka nga nag-subscribe, nag-comment ka sa ako ang mga videos. And yes, so natin 2 winners sa ito ang 50 pesos worth of load. So without further ado, let's go on the video. ayun guys. So, I hope na may natunan sa akong video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification bell below para ma-notify mo every time na ako'y post na video. And so, bye! Thanks for watching!